Happy Women's Month! Sa tanang kababaihan diri karon, especially na sa taga-Kapitolyo, maayong Women's Month kaninyong tanan. Ug ingon pa sila og to those who wants to be women also. On this day, we celebrate the strength, the courage, and the leadership of women na binagyo dinhi sa Kapitolyo. And let us not forget our leaders nga naa sa probinsya, ato ang mga mayor, ato ang mga vice mayor, barangay captain, and the whole province of Cebu. Ug di sa nato kalimtan ang atong mga past women leaders diri sa Kapitolyo. Let us celebrate with them. Karong adlaw, kabaw mamo nga naay giandam diha nga mga booth, no? Para mga kabaihan ay hair extension, makeover, sa pa, kanang nail, manicure, pedicure, massage, kanang mapili yun ko, ana. Kilay sa, no? Sus, kompleto na ini, full makeover for all the women diri sa Kapitolyo. And this wouldn't be possible without the help of TESDA. Ug ato sang pasalamatan ang atong regional director, atong RD ug ARD nga naa diri. RD, gisultian man ko nga birthday ko ni Muron. Yes, thank you kayo for spending a part of your special day with us. Pwede ta kantahan nato sa RD? Music bin natay. RD, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you ba? Of course, of course. Happy birthday, RD. So see, women also honor men. Before I end, just let me share 8 powerful words with all the women and of course men as well here this morning. No? Number 1 is believe in yourself. Stay strong. Never give up. Bisag unsa pa kag daw-daw o traidor, never give up. Be grateful in your life. Work hard. Stay humble. Be kind. And keep smiling though your heart is aching. But really, my heart is not aching. I'm so happy to see you here this morning. Oh, happy Women's Month to all the women in the Capitol. Oh, let's enjoy the day. And see you all. Please participate later. Thank you very much.